So tell me honestly, how many times have you had traditional day at college or Diwali at work and you've had to borrow a kurta from a friend because all you have in the name of desi wear is the sherwani you wore at your cousin's wedding? Guys, I cannot stress enough on how important it is for every man to curate an essential ethnic wear wardrobe, so you are ready for all those expected and unexpected occasions. Let me take you through the basics you need. First up is a classic black or white kurta. A kurta usually has a traditional Chinese collar or V-neck and can sometimes be collarless. The variety of fabrics you can choose from can be cotton, khadi, linen or silk. A classic kurta hits right at your knee or a few inches below it. The shorter hem kurtas can be worn with a salwar, while the longer or knee-length ones are best worn with churidar. Next on the list, a shorter version of the classic kurta. These are usually made of lightweight fabrics such as linen or cotton. These are best for more casual occasions and can be a cool pick for a weekend brunch or lunch. These are usually hip length and can be worn with distressed jeans and sneakers for a relaxed look. A short kurta also looks great with cotton or linen pants. The last item on my list is a nehru jacket. It is a sleeveless, fitted, Chinese collared vest jacket of hip length. These are traditionally worn over kurtas. My tip to you would be to pick one in a solid jewel tone or a neutral hue such as beige, navy or ruby to get the most use out of your nehru jacket. So these three basics can be the building blocks of your desi wear wardrobe. That is all from today. See you guys next time.